gore o be something mo lefatsheng gore o tshwantse o be criminal.
Re batla go tsena go pala khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa khale re phusha re batla go tsena go pala khane la go bangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na botisa.
Hello, hi guys, it's Wundengese here, back again. Scrum to podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. Bona, I wanna, as long as whether o mo Pitori, o ko Durban, o ko Cape Town, o ko kae a ho tshwenye, but as long as o le mo South Africa, ke tlo dumbetsa mo. Mara no ke a dibala hore se khalanyana ke tlo tswanyana ke go Botswana. Kore bona, ke nya go batlisa kaofela ka. So today ya bona bile ke jela le two piece bya na bona. Ke tshwere leadership. Ke tshwere leadership pila no tshwantse ke melle ke bethe matso mara ka gore bya nong yo disturb a camera nka semel. My good sir. How are you? How are you? I know it's good, it's nice, man.
Sure.
I know re o busy like too much but o khonne hore o etse nako hore o be ebile re o emisitse west part hape gore no. I'm happy you are here.
Yeah, no, Lena, thanks very much for invite them this progressive podcast. Yeah, that's why I want to invite you. Akasenya le nako. Because Lena, I've got interest.
Yeah.
Because go and have.
Because get na and all I need, you know what happened, guys? Ke mmotsa ka tsheko ke mmotsa re no re shoota ka tsatsi le so re ka ibela for tsatsi le leng, but if o teng ka tsheko a ka tla se mang le mang, especially batho ba le gore ba etsa mmereko a se mang le mang, you know, and ara bona today yona I'm coming, so yeah, I feel blessed and honored hore you came, you know.
Yeah.
For those ba ile gore a ba itse hore bua le mang,
yeah,
pela o ba dumedisa go bolella hore today re na le
ona ka le bitso ke nna Khotso wa Hatsela tsela ke my surname. I'm a counselor go 12 elingoma Mabopane Winterfeld and part of Beirut, in fact the whole of Beirut and half of Lebanon. That's me. I get this singing my things.
Yeah, ke le boditse ka re ke tshwere leadership o Mr. Spane and o bereka too much kore that much I can tell you, but little utlwa ntse re tsere re bolela like o bereka too much, so this is why I'm honored and I'm blessed hore mo hare ha o been busy ha o khono rara wa itseng I dumbel go Ndengese today. So thank you so much for coming. But now before we come mo leng mo teng no ke nyaka re itse from kwa go primary kwa osgela kwa khulong ya hao ke eng e leng gore re iputse gore no re ho hola nya kwa a ke rena re hodile kana go tsela ho tsena go classing teacher re tsatsile sa nya ke ngurutu ka re o nya go nnang ho hola tshwantse re mise matso lawyer doctor this and that, you know. So when I growing up no nya go ba
a nna ke hule ke nyako ba lawyer mara
go botle fele ke
mara go ha e banya ke bele so le ke ba butse re wa ba re matlo ha o ya masole ba re ka mkhole bella batho ka teng o ka ba le sola ba se bella batho bya but basically ke holetse go Mabopane. Go Bogonudu.
Bogonfire. I was born go Bogonudu.
Ke holetse go Bogonudu. Ke tsene sekolo go Marula Primary School, ka ya Letlotlo Secondary School. Ke ra middle school by then before ba di secondary. Then ka feletsa go IR le Solang High.
Le Solang High wona Lebanon.
Winterfeld. Mo mora MH ba lo.
Oh yeah, tsela se lenga ntlela mo
Lebanon ke
mo main road.
Lebanon ke
Ngaka Masego. Yes.
So growing up it was tough, my brother. It was tough. I come from a family where it was disadvantaged. Most of the time again lo posta mkhukhu ke tlanga marona batho ba mpona ngone bana
kaitse
batho ba mpona ngone bana ba ipotsa gore maybe ke a juga e ke ba bontsha gore bana nna go ke tlhang go ima. But I think situations ke hodile nga sona se ngrumile. Ke fitile gore sometimes ke ne lore o ga renga kwala buka life ya ka just to show people lore in life anything is possible. Today we are being called leadership. Today we have got our businesses that are flourishing. But when today they think or no, this man no. Ne huli wi magore henga tolo ka lwena ka life ya ka Sbu o reka tsa a day or two.
Yeah.
But ho botse nnete ho bile boima but ka modimo le badimo le spirit se le ngoro motho na le sona sa o bereka.
Yeah.
At least motho khonne ho fitla mo le mo teng. Sbu. Yeah, so if inga o botsa gore like ke hulile ka mkhomong.
Yeah.
But henze ke hola ka mkhola nga ding, I didn't forget where I come from. My dream pila ne lo change life ya go high.
Okay.
Situation is go high because he ke hola go high nna ka mara mkhukhu mo model because ya mkhukhu if wa di hopola play go bogo no dukhale ne le because za mkhukhu.
Yeah.
One le outi mo ya ka ba re ke mo chalefa. Ke hopola ke mmotsa go high fence sa lezela elephant tsela enyane ka gidila ya mepeto ya di V.
Oh yeah ga ibona ya.
Ka utswa di V tsela ra sa na
di. Yeah, usana gate.
Kana go generate ya ka mkhukhu go tseng. O ka go high o ne le mkhukhu mo wa ka kwa. Batho ba ntse ba mputse gore ke sa o tlo se ke ra ke so be ready for o tlo se ke a hile go high. The first thing that I did he ke thomo tlhalefa sbu. I think at 25 years.
Yeah.
No. 27 years. Me ke a hela ba go high ntlo because ka 23 years ne ke thomo ba le business like I was there. I was the youngest to go taxi. My first business in the taxi ke tsene go taxi industry. Yeah, ke thomile one le venture ya ka mathomo ka 23 years. I moved out go high.
Yeah.
But guy botsa ka re somebody salam bodzare my brother wa bona ka mkhuzule ngo wena it's very rare ka ba thusa go heno wa ba hela because I was bona situation is go heno. I remember one day ke nele outing ya ka ke tlhale ena go toropong.
Yeah.
Ke tla go toropong le grile one series ke na 25 years. Yeah, isa tsena so ke phagile go high.
Yeah.
Ke phagile go high ba fana ba line go high wa itse hone le kara kana go tsela ebile
le hone tsena ebile. Yeah.
So re fa bona ba fana ba mo Cosmos mo le ka line ke ka line ha ke line go Bruno go high.
Yeah ka bona.
So re fa ba fana ba lift mo le mo Cosmos mo le re ba fa diamond so re tshwantsa ndrope go high wa feta gre wa feta mo high mara ke mo mo e hape go lela ha o ele feta nduka value that hit me inside. That's why I said I nearly forgot.
Yeah,
what was my dream?
Yeah.
And you know, I focused. I'm going to take your phone before impressing the streets.
Yes.
That's what I did. 27 years nigga I go high into. But for the fact that already who is taking go and unkhuriste ka lerato ke go mamaka for the fact that hore ne ke sale ba lo ke stolo ka mole when I built that house ne ke sa plan hore ka bushunga nka itse ya ka ira no ne ke nya go lebo ha batswadi ba ka before nna nka zo ka ilula ditsa
yeah,
and of which I did it sbu but motho you know growing up ke hudile like I was not just like any child.
Yeah.
But kore thongolo ngone ke etsa ne ke eletsa go high because le mathata go high.
Yeah.
You know go hopola ke hopola go ke fetso ha ndwe la tshwantsa tsene ka mara yona ra ka mara ndwe nga setsene
why
ke re ba re go sa tsena re ka setsene ke nyako itse re ntlo ile ya hile ka chelete e tlhanga
Aisa. Yeah.
Ke re ma revenge a shidi ka mo jara
yeah dia span ne tsa zaka
wa itse nga ra go until ndwa hae sha ke tsifise ke ba dimbaka or bya ngore ke ba dimba ya fe gore tsa tselenga le ka mara ndwa ya ke mo atho mo tsena ka more bo mamanga mo mane ba ra ba no ngwatswa ka mo ile ari ke mo tsena ka mundlu. Yeah, so ke ntse ke hola running my business. Then mo business nya ka ba le difficulties immediately ke sena go high go high.
Yeah.
I bought a Quantum.
Okay.
Ko mining mo monka mo Hendrina ne de ke sena go reka Quantum ila ka tlhela ke mathata di goletse la ba di tseya.
Oh yeah, ish.
Ba di tseya bana sbu ke you know ho rana business. Business ha we bona re mara business e indirela chelete. O thoma ho nyaka dilo tse leng hore like dilo tse pila o thoma.
Oh yeah.
I remember the day ba tsering di taxi tsaka. I had 15 taxis by then. Ne ke robetse go nna kwa.
Yeah.
Ke tshwantse ke busetse one series ke la the X5M.
Yo.
Ke tsense application ya ntlo I ba approve le ntlo mo Montana. Kale. And I was young by then. Sbu. He ke tswa furu ke ra kholo ba dilo tsa wa di sale teng. Ke robetse ka tsoa.
Bara di sale teng.
Ya ba dilo tsa ba di tsere. Wena dilo tsa o di tlhakatlhakane. Remember batho ba ntšhape a ke re ke hola le wena so. A o itse gore ke back up ke family ya ke tlhaile bjang. Wena o ka mpona bona hana gore maybe o itse la palela go khanda o itse batho ba le bona motho ba ile gore ba nthusa.
Yeah.
Then e ke tswa mo lesbu e ke fitla mo le ba ntlhalosetsa gore no dilo tse ra di tseya due to mabaka gore wena ba re mo taxi and mo taxi mo ba re lena lalwa ne ke nako tsa teng ne ke le go ne ke bereka ke le Pirate Squad and na zanga ka lwa go taxi ke story se ne ba created sona gore ban destroy mo bophelo sbu mind you maybe a ka o tlhalosetsa situation sa ka because na e ke hola ke huditse ke basadi ke huditse ke mme wa ka my father was absent and by the way my father was a counselor also go Winterfeld. My father also had taxis. Yeah, so but na kwa wa itse dintwa tsa batswa.
Yeah, dintwa tsa batswa.
Ontso hola wa understand ho ala mara o thomo tlhalef ke mo khona understand am because le none le mone kwatetse papa ka mara
hola ke mo khona gore
ke hola ke mo sale ka thomo tlhalefa ka thomo understand gore a ka tshwanetse ya side until ke greya. Unfortunately by that time ke tlhalef. Na sinza papa ka tlhokofetse.
Isana.
Wa ibona. Like I was angry in fact but ke ile ka go ena ke mo tshwaretse ka ke hudile bana ke tlhalefile ro ka re le nna ke monna ke kono bona dilo tse dintse ke no mathata mang but fast forward let's no ban destroy sbusa lo ba bima I remember we zo ka na go tseke ke le business ke tswile ke nna go di Tannhauser ke na go tsela khale Tannhauser sa le hore ya Tannhauser ne ke ne le o ne ke re le 325 ke na le 325 coupe a di coupe tsa itse you know le so no ban disturbers bu e ho bile we mo bophelong ya ho bile we mathata ke hopola ke tja go beka so ya means
from the taxi tse ne tse kae
15
from the taxi 15
na go tse ba ntshile ka tse pedi ba ntshile ka Siaya le Venture siya sa ka sebekela ka toropo Venture bereka local tšhelete ile ya dikoloi tsela ne ile gore ke patele fela marobalo
yo
ka mo banka ba ne thomo Teresa koloi ya BM it was tough and Uber ne stay Bolt ne stay
ne shingile biteng na go
tshwantse ke tswa Montana o tloa Montana o tla ka mo na go tsela tshwantse na mele taxi o fitlhe mo le o folose mo Pitoranoto junction ne so biteng by then foro bo junction ne stay ne ba ya mo le mo station se la sa Pitoranoto tshwantse o folose nguve mo le mo transfer tshwantse o thewa phape ne le leeto why is this bophelo blind ke hopola ke tloha ke ya hona go ne ke bereka teng go station go di taxi meno a ke sana di taxi lo tsa ka bantu di thongo di ko tlase ke setse ka 2 ya di taxi batho ba itsurule tsa ka di tlhakatlhakane sune re ke fitla kono fitla mo kere majita yeme batho ba laelana gore ya ne
wena o fitla batho mo laelana no
mara o ne le ba shimane ba ile ngore sale ka ba respect no le khawa shengwe ya lena go hae kana go tseno libe ba fana ba le ne gore like ne le bona ba ile ngore ne ba mbalantshitse o ne le batho ba ile ngore ne ba khono mfa spirit is or me bra o tla loka gore wa itse sala bona di noodles me bra re go botse le ka tseno di noodles a ke sa di rata because ke di jile thata it's a choice gore ne ke in a situation but wa ntse that's why ba itse history ya rena gore go ntse o hola o ba le problem tse baya
yes
wa ntlhalwanya so but some that's why ha ntse ke kwala ka rato botsa batho ke re in whatever situation so ka setsa giving up is not an option
yes
because if you give up ka manzo mang remember wena mo lefatsheng go tlo sa tshwara se ene bo botlhe re clear crawler mara khono emella rawa fika mo life tshwantse be ka teng mara hentse ke kuka spirit nyana ka thoma ka re no man ke thomo change business imodimo ira dilo tsa ka mokhomosi bu nna ke tsena ka re ka shione bu le tse ding hore ba khono o bontsha tsona
ba bontsha tsona
so hentse ke ira mo le ka thomo tsana mo business nya ya di truck
okay
ka zo mo taxi
ba di taxi one way ve
no ke sithole monate for nna
re ke lokisana deng bathong let's ka can se bua ene tsa motshwara no ke lokisa ke lokisa di denya mic. Yeah, no, continue Mesho.
Yeah, sibuka thomo tsana mo business but then ke remember na go tseo ba no ke ne le political interest.
Okay.
Mara I don't have interest ya leader.
Okay.
But I was sponsoring ka business ka e ntse ke ira ke sponsora kana go tseke ke sponsora ma comrade go branching go ke holetseng go teng ne ke sne interest because I was busy ke dilo tsa ka tseleng gore ne ke dietsa.
Yeah.
Ene le organization ke le mo yona ha ntshine sene ke pila batho ba isogela ke rena batho le dilo tse snacks. So ne ke le go thoko kwa mara ke rata. So they knew re rena le mathata ne re go dimane re nya ka sponsor sa transport ne re go dimane re nya ka di funds ne re go dimane re na le program wa yabona. So bana ba sekolo like if you go check again the videos aga le pictures aga hone le uthingo ba re ke mohau ne le secretary ya Youth League.
Yeah,
he was my leader by then na ke le go tlase ka mo ka position but and then I said mohau ke kopa hore re program re salaba lo re tlhaka ka tshokolo re program ya donation.
Yeah,
but we are going to use my company and you yourselves as Youth League. Then that's what I did. Normally, if you can check, I donate school shoes to the needy. I donate the pets. That thing here out of my heart, out of my business, in fact. So fast forward, there's no business in the drug, but kabali katomo makomorita tomo hung encourage or monabona man. Kupelore unne full time modi politiki.
Yeah.
By then I get home full time modi politiki because ke hudile le tsona. Mara ke sne political ke sne interested position. Ke tshwara mo 2930 ke mo ganeng re thomileng go bana le titenya ra contest.
Yeah.
But the Youth League yona ne sentsana ke go re sa because ke hudile ka mara yona ke lidiwa. Then that's where ke thomile ba chairperson ya ke thomile go contest the position ka tsena go branching yaka. But before I led Sanko structure sebareke Sanko in my branch, then I led Sanko as a chairperson. Yeah, go Mawiga Winterfeld Harangua. I became a chairperson there. Then Kimudi politics aga ditomoira. But kineli interest ke like ke tla ke ntse ke rata ho thusa community yaka. So ke tla ke rata ho thusa community yaka. Sbuda. Just like I'm cool with zangari donation. My position get like a nyaki. Can I just to be honest?
Okay. Yeah.
My only losing here latel. Yeah,
I'm not getting dark.
So that's when negibera ka le makhanselara tsuleng ne ke ba thusa mole le mole. So that's when after Sanko ke seno ke ba chairperson ya Sanko ka ba chairperson ya ANC in my branch. And then ka ba chairperson ya ANC in Mawiga. As we speak, I'm a chairperson at ANC's Mawiga, Mahopan Winterfeld Harangua. Okay. But before 2021, I became a councillor. Before I became a councillor, I got councillor. We sat down in my community, but I said to them, I'm taking a Mario disturb business. I don't know, Mario Copella fella outside leg about him a one. Because only passion to about a road test. So I said, no, Eric, but I said to them, you compromise some of my things. Because remember, Hotomo was an business in Sbuda. Yeah. There's no way you guys run business directly in Maspala.
Oh, yeah. Because
so,
already you're not going to get nepotism. Yeah.
I got tender direct come Maspala.
Yeah.
Yeah, hana document and I go le police ne lo hana wabona. So but I said no, you know what, nga stule business aga business aga tla bona ke bereka byang ke tla go ke tla sacrifice, but let me try this thing ya bo councillor. That's why today I'm a councillor. If you go over life yaga from Gomorao, it was painful. Come go tlango go fine le zo go botsa tsona ke di snapshot one of the questions tse dingwe ka mbutsa tsona o ka utla ba peretse ya 30 minutes ha ba beketsana mo arata. Yeah.
Kutlile ko morao kwa le o boletse ka mkukola ko bona o postile ne, and I was like, you know, ko morao ko tlhanko teng a wa dumela hore background ya hao or situation sa hao se determine your future. So now mo di challenges tse leng hore kopane le tsona, especially growing up tshokolo before to lose le di business, you know, tshokolo king elong hore yo motivate le, you know what, fine, ka mo hae ra sokola ka mo hae a rena this and that nako ngwe maybe ke sure no tsamaya o sa ja le yana tsebe yago you know ke eng e leng gore you pusha gore wa itse keng ke tlo tshwarella and then ke tlo hola and then ke tlo ba successful ke eng ntho e leng gore ne you pusha o le ngwana gore or no I'm not gonna give up my life in
o bona my brother mokhuko la se mokhuko fela mokhuko o tlhoka le festere yeah mokhuko o tlhoka le festere gore you can imagine he go botsa ka mokhuko o tlhoka le festere Sbuda wa bona nna khala ke rata dilo tse pila
yeah
so ko sekolo ne ke ne lo rekisa bo di Jackson 5 wa bona go tselo sana di Jackson 5 ba ke di Cadbury what motivated me is Buda ke situation se leng gore sale you know who is your stepfather
yeah
me wa kana ke nna ke nna le go waka
okay
but sometimes because of ke ne le hopola mama ka ne khono tlo go le solane go fitla di JJ ka moto ke era but o khono bona sometimes the situation sa ka mole why is how comfortable is Buda just like and go waka le manyaka ne le batho ba ileng gore ne ba nrata ka pelo tsa bona tsotlhe
yeah
ho ne le situation tse ding le nna o bona ra mo itse mo hane ya o sharp you know and is Buda ntho ke tlo botsa nyona ka ntho ba re ke tshokolo a ke tlhoile ntho ba re ke tshokolo so intutile ke sa jaja batho ka di decisions ba di tsaya especially batho ba ileng gore they've got dreams tsa ba something go bophelo wa itse tshokolo ka o telisa ka motho o senane motho mo le mo le fatseng a tshoreng tšhelete sometimes o no le bona ka ro botlhale kanda go tshwara tšhelete ke lucky a se botlhale go tshwara that's why le motho re reng o disabled mo tlhalonyana ke tshabore ke sa hafe wa itshwara tšhelete ke matlhatsi o tshwara tšhelete mara sore o botlhale that's why o kana wa ba botlhale wa ba le tsotlhe mara wa tlhoka ntho ba re ke lucky it's a problem that's why ke rantsi ke botsa batho ke ra rapedise go ba le lucky so tshokolo ya ka ke nana re en tlhalefisitse mara intirile hore ke khono ba motho ke lenyana ka tsene ke be as humble ka mokgoleng ka teng because challenges tse kopana le tsona mo tseleng ya ka Sbuda ke tse ntse tse leng hore di nke dilo tse dintse hona le tse ke di ditse mo lefatsheng tse leng hore ne ke sa ba tludietsa hence today Sbuda I managed to ba se ke leng sona batho ba bantšha ba khono go tswa mo ntho e nna ke zuleng go yona mo lefatsheng and then that's why today in the next 2 months I'm going to graduate to my graduations yeah ke botse sekolong after 22 years but ka 3 years ke khono o passa my degree which is Bachelor of Arts in Public Governance and Municipal Management in 3 years I failed one module kona ne go hira hona ba no module wa teng from January until now kona grad results tsa teng maloba gore ke passitse so this is one of the things tse leng hore I dreamt about ke botsa batho ka re ke ya sekolong you know ke bola sekolong the people ba ileng gore ke tlo ba leboga in fact the people ba ileng gore ba mpeputse ile ke thoma ke botsa o thingwa ke re ke bola sekolong a re monna ra me bara tlhalanya o irusitse ka seloki but I told myself for I'm a leader and then you know when you are a leader you are leading batho ba ileng gore ba different and this nowadays people are civilized especially young people you can't lead young people ba ka jeno ba question and immediately ba ka realize gore motho a ya sekolong ba tla o challenge go le question tse ding ba ka o busa ka tsona o palla go di araba wa gore wa tlhoka botlhale ba o di araba because o tlo bona ka re ba o tella no ba o testa knowledge yao ka dilo tse dintsi so hence ke re mo wena ke re after dilo tse ding tlhaetseng ke re ke go botsa ke ka mo ke hudileng ka teng yana ka ngwana mo lo mong ke khonne go bona gore mara pila that's why ke khonne go bontsha batho gore your history doesn't determine your future gore my history now I'm proud whether what happened ko morao ka bophelo ba ka ba ba ileng gore ba nkitse gore no hiralang ka bophelo ba ka but today I can tell you ke motho setšhabeng I'm a leader that's why lona byanong I think I'm paying back to the community ka ntho ke etsang that's why ntho ngwe ke etsang wholeheartedly as Buda when ke tsena ka mogare ga council first day ke tsena ka mara council ke nna mo di mastool council chamber gore question e before ke a itse no e butsisa gore why o botse sekolo one of the things e leng gore ke boele sekolong by the way sekolo se la ra patella ke masepala ke mmere gore the patellets ile ke nna ka mara stulo so ile go tla debate ang ka mole ka o tlo re ya se debate ya go di meeting tsa rena tsa go di BGM
e tlo so
mo go nyaka class so I told myself for go boela sekolong there's one MMC ka tseno but before an MMC ne le chief whip rena ba re ke Aaron Maluleka and then le Professor John Molepo
John Molepo ke spanne
le Professor John Molepo le uthingo ba re ke Ayanda le uthingo ba re ke Tshebo
Yeah.
Ke nyaka ba leboga, but I'm going to thank them formally as Buddha ka graduation party. You know, modimo ka mpa tšhelete ke nyaka go ithekela something se ba re keng gift e leng hore nka se lebale, because this thing ke ntho e leng hore es ke boletse ka re he ke ira ke iretse lo tse pedi, ke iretse hore a ke nyake mmereko, a ke nyake le hore ke ile marketa ka yona, but I want to motivate other kids because I was a role model ya bana ba ileng hore ke ba go remember bana ba collocation bana di role model tse ileng hore di wrong.
Yeah.
And I was one of them by then ke sa le monyane. And lenna I had role models. Second, go holela ka marelation la o tshwana le bo Bokono to Winterfeld.
Yeah.
Remember how especially o sne father figure. O ya go ntle o ile nyakana le father figure.
Father figure go ntle.
Go kra father figure ka bad o no le wela batho ba wrong. Not knowing gore mara mo ke wetse batho ba wrong. So that's why hona bano nna I believe gore ka age ke le mona I'm a father to other kids. I'm a brother to other kids. Hence ke wetse sekolong gore he ke ya go dikolong gape go motivate other kids ke ba botse gore e bana la mpona ke nyaka ka pura ya ka. O ditse batho ka ra go hira pura go ya ka yana ke nyaka go phela ke itshwere go e reka ke be le yona he ke ya go dikolong because ke nyaka go ntsha mentality wa gore o be something mo lefatsheng gore o tshwantse o be criminal or o tshwantse o phela. There are many people who've got you know, I want to challenge doctors, I want to challenge people like yourselves because you know re tlalela go khole le bana ba ileng hore they want to look up to us.
Yes.
So ba wela mo di ba wela mo bathong ba mo matsong a bathong ba wrong ba felletsa e ba se seng sona, because I'm talking from experience by the way. Ba wela mo matsong a ma wrong, matswala ma wrong ala ba khuza aba groom ha ba groomela go tseleng tse wrong, and asa ba ntse batho khono bonang ba bua go morao. Hence wena as Buddha o mpona ke tsa di decision tse dintse, hence o mpona le ka mmereko go ira ho la tetli re batho ba bona like gore this thing it's easy as long as you are committed, because I love my work, in fact I love my job. I go about every day le ba berekang go nna, because in my other life I've got a business, as I said.
Yeah.
Ke botsa le majita ke berekang lona gore ba fethu wa bona for as long as o tle mo o tlo bereka le nna ha o sa rate mmereko wa hao re ka se be successful. Wa bona wena o energetic le team ya hao wa utlwa la planner wa utlwa na o boletse ntho ngwe le groom a young woman ke sa tsena, and imagine a bona ke nna as a leader phela as a leader ke bona motho wa tsona le I'm very proud of you anyway team.
Yeah, no.
Ka ke le nna ke ne le like ka first day a young person issue wa tla ke lo tse leng re nya go di bona, but when I'm saying re tshwantse re na re be di role model re sa tshabo ya go baneng ba ro ba bontsha gore there's life besides this one, because bana ba ka tsene ba ipotsa gore wa apara di Gucci wa apara di Lacoste wa apara o ka di apara dilo tse for hona le doctor tse di apara dilo tse, by the way hona le lawyer tse di apara, hona le lawyer tse di tsamanga di Maserati hona le doctor tse tsamanga di Maserati, hona le engineer mme bana ba borena ba itse ba ipotsa fela gore o tsamaya ka dilo tse go tshwantse o be criminal. No, there are things tse leng gore ya ira, and you know bana ba borena ba ipotsa gore sometimes ho ya sekolong o sa ela gore o tla kra mmereko ba ba le give up mo tseleng because le nana no lo kra mmereko. No, skolo sa o trainer le business e nyaka skolo.
Yeah.
Because if o tsena go business in that documents tse leng gore o tshwantse o di sign,
tshwantse di bala
those documents tshwantse o di bala o finish o ba ile o betha ka tsona ke go plana brafal me o ntse o se sekolong go plana brafal me ke mo kra go khasba a jikise menyo o be ile so
o be lefsen
ke mutso re kan do ireng go botsa nnete ene ke tlhabana ke re ke fitla ka mo ke bona menyo ntse so. Hona le mongwe ke ne le yena a humile mara a invite batho a nya go bolla ka auction basket ka ra ene wa itse re ke a joke go botsa nnete. So bana ba borena ba ipotsa gore go ba businessman go re tshwantse sa ya sekolong
no shortcut mo life
no ene o lebelle. That's why kere Sbuda opportunity bana ra e berekisa to speak about these things.
Yes,
you've got the technical schools bana ba borena mmereko ya matso
yes
a tseno di tender tse ntshi tse ba reng batho ba di rana ka batho ba ileng hore ba ile mo le motho a ile plumbing motho a ile eng a ira skill. If agree sometimes re ka se varsity bo botle re ka se tlhalefe bo botle ra bala dibuka o tshwana bo botle ba done le mmereko mong kwa matso bana ba ba re ja ba encourage ba e mo le ba dire dilo tse byao o gusisi ba e mo le, and then ba tle ba re challenge re mona hape go so as we speak ona bana o kenele project go nna bana ba bang go letse le kwalo ba sekolo ba khopela fela hore ba tle ba tlo gain experience. I spoke to the main contractor to say main contract bana ba etla in fact ba ile pele ka re no it's going khopela hore ba tla go via nna so that ke tlhalosetse community because wa itse lo tsa community di bjang if ba ka bona batho ba tsene ka mole ba sa ba itse nako ba nna hore le ba hiri ka no bana ba le ba tlile ba tlo nyaka experience ba tlile fela ba volunteer so lo ona bana se speak ke yona ntwe eleng hore e mfa matla ka re challenge tse go botsang ka tsona di nka hile ke khona bona without go kopana le batho ba nnete o ka ira le bophelo ba go tlhakatlhakana and sometimes o le tlhakatlhakana o sabe wa bua wa ndlalwa yes
yo yeah no Jenny how Jenny how ke tella mechomi and now wa hola experience everything experiencing then you start a business. What motivated you hore o thome business ya how eleng ya especially specifically ya raire ya di takes
why is my brother na from Kale and ke tlhalosa na had a vision like I get why but I had it in me hore akenya ke kore na akenya ke bophelo ba strata na ke fundex so because kore ke nyaka go ba le business you know batho ne ke phela le bona ne re he nna re tshwara chelete maybe re tlhakantsha chelete ka mokgwa re tlhakantsha le re hodile go di social eng rira o monna khona re ka ntlo o botse re me bra na ke rekile ntlo why o sa reke ntlo na ke reka venture o ndi social nna di ntsositse ke re venture ne ke itse re he ngwa ho nga reka pila ngwa ho mollo monna nga ka ra 2 ya di venture one time because of course challenge chelete o tla di venture ne khono e bia he ngwa ho fela ne ke le sure go grab ka batho ba ro sa reke ntlo o ne ntlo batho ba ho di scampe e di mana ne ntlo in but ba le bitse hore na le ke le o ka hirala nna my dream ne ke accomplish the khale go haeba
bana le ntlo yes
so mara ke botsa batho ke re me bra why sometimes o tshwantse le bele life so wa bona ntlo o sa bereki o tshwantse e re ke liability ntlo ho nna ka mara yona tshwantse nne o maintain ho nna ka mara tshwantse re ke grocery ho nna ka mohare ha ntlo o tshwantse o bone hore o nna o ntse o bo di tile motlakase you buy everything ka mara ntlo lo tseo di nyaka hore o be le tlhalwa so the only way next that ile ngana ke let me have my own business my business will buy me a house just like today I've got many properties today it's Buddha and people who were saying I don't have a house they were correct or I didn't but now I chose a way or my business it on regular and then regular ntlo go maintain le ntlo ela ka yona same
business
yes that's what motivated me Buddha that's why I can't live without business now ne ke botsa motho ke rona bana I'm maybe one from I think maybe in a more than 20 years ke le mo business in ya transport sorry ke le mo business in ya transport more than 20 years so no ke mo business in ya plant ke hirisa plant di traga bo di TLB ke business ke le mo wena ona and at least ona bana ya zama ka mkhweni zama ngadeng I've got the team ya batho ba ile ngore ke vera ka le bona go nna kwa and then mero go cancel ra go botse Spuda ke mero go ile ngore salary batho ba ntshwana ro ma cancel ra hola tšhelete ntši nna go wira bana ka go rata because ke le botsa batho and a ke swingi wa bona ke le hore ke toloka ke botse batho ke ba fethu na mero go cancelara salary ya teng a ikhono sustain lifestyle e ke rata that's why he ke tsena wena Spuda le community aka o bona e mmaka le nna ke tla ke ithatela bo diaparo and community aka le na go bankhetha here le go public meeting ke tlhalositse ka re lampona good enough ke tsena nna ke tsene ke ne dilo tsaka and ne ba itse re ngwana o ne le dilo tsa hae o ne le ntlo o ne le dikolo tsa hae o ne le salary ya bo cancelara ka a se salary le ngore a ke nyatse but a se salary le ngore o ga re ke tsene mo le for salary because of ke shera le batho Spuda ba ke re bano ba re letso ho fa batho a wa tshwana o re o ne ke ne le batho ba ileng hore ke ba thusa mo yona the same salary ke thabela hore economy ba yona phatla eo ya re khono e dirile hore ke sa tlhole ke na thaka mo business eng kapo ke khono na thamo yona di thuse ba ileng hore ke khono ba fa ibile hona le bana ke ba fa tšhelete ke sa ba fa ke a tloa go ba patela le re ke coupon
tsa mabona
and ba re ke lebitsa eng tsa go Shoprite ka tsena voucher
yes
na ke bitsa coupon
e ba khono ba kre grocery nyana ka
yona yena o itatela grocery ke batho ba ka ba ileng hore ke ba adoptile ba ileng hore ke phela le bona mo hae mo le wa bona so ke ka mkhoileng hore ke phela ka teng but mo business nyaka wena I would get like a business because I believe or business come could nage pezing ka thing inga hile se impile se geleng sona and ke khonne hola moara yona esbuda and as I said uri modimo go moholo wa bona ke re nthongo lengwe e pens for a reason kana go tsila o phelo ba ka bo boela morago abesbu kana go go botsa ro phola kana buli buima me brane buli buima o tlotshe ya go polane mane a bolela ka nna botsa batho re wa o itse story se ba ke mo pheme
sitse pila fela mo pheme
ona le mane mole a gitse ke mana a re dingwe mo kopo a re ke nna mo kopo tlhalanya ka esa bereka o phelo ba ka botsa
mora ola narato
a re ke re dingwe dipedi di tharo by then tshokolo ya ka gore ne fitlhile mo leveleng eo o polane brafa mme na le lo lata go nna me bra mena go nga khona mpotso ro ntebetse zibo o itse ra o no re nka tsamaya go liela anytime banka ka itse I had to re bana tshwantse ke move and ke move tshwantse ke move go re tshwantse ke itse ke a kae unless zibo tshwantse ke ne the whole day ka marantlo ke la le gore taxi tsela tsa ka tse bedisa di khona mphidisa ha o ne go ke yang zibo
and mo di mamo whoever the driver tshwantse le na mo fe itse
well wa bona go le nnete ba fana ba ne ke bereka le bona bale ha o tle ke re mo bophelong maybe ke o phela le bathupile ba nsupportile majitale ba bile le nna through thick and thin and azanga ba tsia mathata ka ba publicize mara ba ntse le nna ba bona le majitale ngore ba bone ke sa le ka ba lokolla ba ne ba ntse le nna ba ne ba bereka go nno ra ba fito tsa monya ka spane go hombi go tshwantse leje for now ke le mathata ka ile ngore tshwantse ke ya resolve
dile lona
mara ke bone dialing after 5 years or 6 years it's painful we bolela so bad ke bone emajita aga o tlhale berekileng lona go stationeng ba ne re phela le bona every day go patrol ba tlhokofetse ya ba botlhe ba tlhokofetse I think ne re le 10 go setse 3 or 4 but the whole group ene why get real if nge ba santsela di taxi tsela nge setsang le nna ke le party ile ya mole mara le ba sino ba ntsela di taxi le polelo tsene di ne ke di kry mole ka thomo boela morago ka thomo ro itse ngere ke focus tse mo politiking yaka ke bereke mo dipolitiking tsa ka ke ene ka jone ke leader batho ba nkethile a kitse batho ba bona eng monna Sbuda because o ka se be a leader batho ba sa o khethe a kitse batho ba bone eng monna mara ba nkethile I work with people it's not me we're a team it's just that I'm at the forefront ke nna ke bereka but I've got a supportive team ka mo mora wa ka ileng hore yang encourage or cancel no we tswere we bambile re bereke are go pele.
And that's another thing that I respect about you, you know. Obviously, I see everything we postang. Like, oh, I will level hor no, ho bereka mang, o hands on, core everything elong hor wa yetsa mo spanning sa house, sa bo councilor like, o kopile, o make sure we tsa dilo hore di etsagale. If you thiwe pothole, you are there. You make sure hore ya thibiwa. If ke mabone ko eno shena like I'm sorry to say this, but different from most ya di councilors tse re ditse most ya bona, you know. And sometimes I ask myself hore mara why passion e kana ke eng e etsang hore o feel hore I have to be there and I have to make sure hore ke nna ke leng in charge. I have to make sure hore if tshwantse ke tshware harafo ke itshware ke ba bontshe batho hore harafo o itshwara so if ho ba le flop ya mabone ho tloha nna ke romele batho ho tloha nna ke re ke a daso
kore ke ntse ke bolela wena ke nna ke tsentsha hore ka mkhoko hodile.
Yes,
I've seen many things and I've been questioning some of my predecessors ke ba budzisa ke kan go canceling o ira lang leader eng mo le dumela nthongo le nngwe o ira lang mole ke nyaka na information ke bona di decisions tse ding tse di tseiwa mara ka ipotsa ka ra mara tse tsona tse so you know Sbuka ke tsena ka 2021 all councillors sale president Ramaphosa di convener go Jimston ro sign ntwengo ba re ke pledge
ya we both
that pledge nga tla lona unfortunately ka tla lona ka go bontsha yona sometimes ke no le tshwara ke lebelele ke re happy pledge e bolala le rena.
Yes,
and there's this perception in my community nya ona hana hore mokhatlo ke leng gona e leng ANC everybody's corrupt.
Oh yes,
and then everybody's lazy. That's why I, you know, Sbu, like I pay back. Like salary. I do things because I pay back from my community. Where like I'm going to go like thing. Killing one, I got Maharamut, killing one, I want to get losing with the stories and get Maharamut, killing one, just like Julius Salavalare, Herlevana is a Lutzabun one. There's a time when Rahula Tongan. So kilos in saying who recorded Heki Hopola president, the Gamkawilitzing, who is our councillors, because our organization here perish. Ebola morale. It's not because of Motol.
Yeah.
It's because of our laziness. It's because of our arrogancy. Some of the things they need us. Rena Merogwarana, is to facilitate. Gore is to meddle.
Yeah.
You go this side. It's like a CLO. You lies between the two.
Yeah.
Between the officials, the departments, the entities, government entities or private entities, anything. You lies between them, the community. Voice yaga, ailegani lia, hunelu zirinze ilungu weno kaya wa iludi bolela. Bagana ba wazia na go hudi respond. So na heke ya mole, bakono ngudwela. Fortunately, honestly speaking, Buda the official is whether ke Eskom, whether the official is a maspala, whether we've got that thing. Against or why root one. Like maybe it's because ke respect the Bafanyone because you know one of the things like the officially ke bonta telebo me ba malapa. When you speak to them, no matter who councillor, because I get nice councillors who are the employer, but for a certain time, for 5 years. So sometimes you become arrogant. So that's why some of the things radiator. Hands on, the official is the community how closer to you. Because sometimes podcast. It's one of the things that you can expose America because most of the people are as councillors. Some of the people they thought of councillor agri project.
Oh yeah.
Can't no renari councillor agri project. Go in see about route
Yes.
Go in see about route le rate to serve about. That's why unfortunately I got to pledge. Sign like contract. President. Unfortunately, as individuals, but now because like ino irahala gore like ke na lo hopo like why is king tshwantse ke re mmero kwaka gore like ke le mmero go mole and sometimes ke no le ba le business aka ke focus mo ntho ya community ke be ke hopotse ke batho ba ke berekang le bono re man mo o le betse because ntho engwe nya ka wena hore re fitise mara bana ga o sa tla le go office ga o sa ira go phela le go strateng o feta office o ka ra one office yao o feta jarda rena o ka ra one jarda yao. It's because mmero go ira ngo botsa net go ira from go pelong ya as I said to you hore wa bona ke bone wena le team yao or this podcast alene yo whole because of the energy and the teamwork ke lerato because o ka ira mmero go se ne lerato lona o ka survive anything le mo le fatseng o ka ira go se ne lerato lona o ka survive. So I won't say to you hore why ke phela ke le mo le kira it's le nna lo ze ndino lo ntlhaela because in fact akenya ke hore motho I say something selling hore go ira phoso abe hona batho ba khono ba roma motho a fitlhe mole ba motho re report hole motho la lebelle ka ma fitla lebelle ka ano fitisa matlo. So mar honzo jika mole o le leader ile wena o requesting those things ba khono bona re demand o hands on demand ha ka bona ntho bana o tlolwa le re but unfortunately or fortunately I not officially tse di bereka mole tsa maspala and everybody azanga ba disappoint. That's why ba mfa le matla o bereka le bona maybe re fana matla o bereka Sibuda. But also you see my community Sibuda yan support and then you see about how appreciate about for matla they appreciate every little thing you get done. So impale matla o tso hore batho ba la ka tshwanno ba disappoint. It's not about the term second term go runya go bua ho ira ho kana wa se boy but now what I can tell you Sibuda ka mmero kwa I've accomplished my dream. First day he tsena there are two things tse leng gore ke di boditse community gore ke khopela bona Winterville de flash ba ba le toilet di flash as we speak on the project the multi-million rand project ya di toilet ba ilo flash ba Winterville after many years batho ba ne le ba tlhokofetsa ba ne le 100 years or 80 years. I'm not sure in fact hone le ba ke go le ba khala be go Winterville ba sa itseng gore flash again today as we speak there's a project there e leng hore batho ba teng ba tlo flasha. That project is ya ba teng ka 2016 before 2016 Ramokgopa is le mayor. Unfortunately are heba ba tsena ba makhuwa ba stop because they don't have interest ya batho ba re. Mara ile nna re tsena ka re what's again this project ra yemisa. Number 2 my dream was ho bona Pokono go holetseng go teng. Ditsela tsotlhe e ba di kontiri.
Oh yes.
So as we speak hona bano we are on a process ya hore ho tle di side camp. Hore batho ba le ba khona ka di kontiri. Hence ke re di dreams tsaka. Area tsa o tshwana le bo Beirut. Batla o botsa ke area tsa ka kenya ke selo ka bona. Area tsa o tshwana le bo Lebanon. Unfortunately when you are a leader especially as a council. Ho le go Pokono ba rata Winterveld.
Ho le
go Winterveld ba rata kae. Ho le go Beirut ba rata kae. Ho le go Lebanon you must be strong psychologically. Tshwantse o diela batho ba ileng hore everybody will need a special treatment. But what I can tell you my brother, nna ke accomplish the dreams tsa gore ke a boa second term ra ke boe but nna di dreams tsa go a tla tlang go mora wa ka. O tlo kry-ile hore dilo tse ke di nyakang ke di
ira. Ana tshwantse a make sure level e wena no we keepile le yena wa itseya we keep yona or o ya go di.
Let's hope o tla ikhona because ntwe yana abutaka you sacrifice many things. Hence I say to you there are many things tse ileng gore ke tshwantse ke di etse tse ileng gore ke tsaka tse personal. My family I don't have time for my family. You know I think family ke na le nyona both go high go ntlunyaka. I don't have time for my family, my brother. I don't have time for my family. But I thank them because ba understand bana ba ka msadi. Mazwale wa understand mama ka kuri they are supporting me or no. Why is again as long as go strateng we le tse dintse o thusa setšhaba because ke ba fama ba ka mang personal to say like it's like a payback go community. Ke khopela hore community ke now ke ngwanolo wa lena.
Yes.
Ke tlile nthongwe le le nyang ke tla le thusa ka yona as long as anything ke tla khona e ke sa ikhona like ka bolele maka nna ntho e ka se khona le nga ke tlo botsa whether ya ba ora e ba nga se ikhona
e ompalla
mara ke khona ke tlo botsa no it's possible re tlo khona ho yetsa yes
no o boletso ha tla la se atla ga utlwahala and ka Spanish e leng hore wa se etsa ne ke na le challenge tse 2 or 1 tse leng hore di mentionile. From Komorao, looking at your business, also looking at Spanesa Saradeng Sabo Cancelara. What are some of the challenges tse long hore o thulana le tsona tse o feeling hore tse tsona tse ding kopisa tlhogo but obviously tshwanetse go be le solution and how do you deal with them?
Wa itse butaka go botse nnete. Hence I said nna ke bile le lucky maybe or it's because relationship ya le community. Because many challenges would encounter a helo re wena le community ba lutlwana. But some of the things tse ileng gore tse kopana le tsona ke tse ileng gore vele ne ntse ke tshwantse kopana le tsona di service delivery challenges. Like for example one of the challenges ileng gore ke tshwantse ke go address a community Winterveld. Ona le project ku Winterveld. Project la ka mkhweleng teng da hone le batho ba ba mole motho mo ba rometse video motho mo ba irile main hall o tswaletse main hall wa hile toilet so o thibile or main hall lo sa bonahala ke some of the things tse leng gore kopana le tsona mo mmereko ngwa rena malobane ke ne le meeting le bona batho ba le but this message ke message yo leng gore tshwantse re o share for example le bona challenge re kopana le tsona ha ntse kona kopana le mathata le ngore there are many families tse leng gore that disadvantage my brother and we do some of us tshokolo ra itse poverty ra itse we don't google poverty ha re tsene mo google re what is poverty we know what is poverty so when you meet with these people my brother ke mo eleng gore challenge daideng ya boa le ba di lela khalo ho tsena ka mara hona le batho ba sokola sbu go re like wa bona ke ne le utla motho so are wa sokola hona le batho ba nga o tsang ka ya le wena ka mole ka o bontsha ka re motho wa sokola ke dilo tse leng gore di busa le ba di lela khale ke a hopolo re kana le nna sa le ka ba so mara hona le batho ba ileng gore ba ne lo berekisa advantage ya hore wena because of o khono assist batho ba sokolang hona le banya go berekisa advantage e le re bona ba sokole like hona le batho ba ileng gore they can afford to ba le di society but they don't pay the society the funeral phala aba di patele and then kana go eleng hore ho ba tlhaile ke mathata ba nya go hirela ditshele hore mara o thusitse mang wa tloela nna forgetting hore wena le dimana le tswana wena ke khono itse hore for example ke ne le simple example sbuda ke re if o khono reka byala nkara maybe let's say so hore ho mention like lion o khono reka lion no ba re ke 25 rand le botolo if una la yone one every day o tsuwa kwa etse 4 ka letsatsi gore ka letsatsi o ja plus minus 30 rand o nya mpotso re wena mo di ma 4 days o palla go be 120 gona le funeral phalo tse leng di ya re supporta go high re ka se bolele ka mabitso because ba tla ra di market mano le batho ba re thusa ba di mushara go high kwa sebuda o go sisa ba eleng gore ba ne le so di mushara ya bo 100 rand 120 batho ba nya go ira ntho then after ke di challenge o kre motho setse bana a urela di tshele mara motho go mmotso gore mara o mpotse bo di ma 30 days o palla fela go sacrifice fela 4 days and remember one beer is a minimum ya ino ngalizatsi o kra no 2
or
o palla go sacrifice or 4 mara o palla fela go sacrifice fela 30 or one day he or give ya 120 ya one day ke patala so and this thing I ke batho ba ileng hore hona le batho ba ileng hore ba parapila sebuda ya ba ira dilo tse ileng hore ke metlholo mara le tsa tshwanetse tsone tsa ga bane tsone go ba le mathata batho mo irile bona di tshele and remember batho ba ntšha bana understanding your councillors aba fa tšhelete o boloka some of the things you do them out of your own pocket some councillors are being blamed or abanye go re thusa mara o itse not all councillors are businessmen or businesswomen he go botsa ka salary bo councillor ke nyane tsana ka jene re hae ka o shure bye bye because some of the councillors wa tsena o tsena mo le hane kwa nnang go teng o thoma le yena o nyaka ntlu a re ka hele o ira dikoloto le na hele tla go yena le tla ka expectation or motho ne le tšhelete because councillor tsela o khona re thusa or utlwe motho mongwe a phone le mongwe o tongeng wa re councillor tsela o khona re thusa ka tšhelete wena so mara same time o bona ka re le wa ha wa ka o thusa kan this shame ngwana batho o krile yena a le mo di dikoloto o butsi di cash o di go kae go di hardware o butsi di account di account o rekile material wena o bona ka re wa hile ntwela ka cash ka no material lo patala hanyana every month o khona patala go pay wa nguthiso re rabe because le nna some of my colleagues sale ka ba encourage re ba fitu ke term ya 5 years I didn't lose that need so but it's not everybody business minded and you can't expect everybody to be business minded
yes.
But the challenges tsa tshwanetse tsone tse batho ba khona lo wena ba lola le wena o ka re wa khethola for example no le motho o ka ra o botsa re ntwa ka e wele ntlo e weleng a one budget or wena o ka emisa ntlo le masipala a o emisetse motho ntlo unless it is disaster in an area ke mo bana ngwana go irala batho ba ne lo se understand gore this person a ka sentse tšhelete bana ba hire right through ira there was a time mo ileng gore o ile dintlo tse 4 especially when interface dintlo tsa dinibia go ka thusa o sense you have to run ne banong batho ba tenyakela and ona batho ba noti like o tshwana le tsone lo tsa maso hona le motho abuti o khona bana le malome mo wa ha ba re ke sebu o nna ka mo kae he bana le leso Monday Tuesday ho ka ya go bona ba ile go tsora re ne selo kanti ba yaka ba nyoko rena o thuse malome le ha fitla o makala ho emedi machine me holo ho tlile dilo ke lo tse leng gore go bona le tsona ka moara motse but some of the things tse leng gore re go bona le tsona ke di challenges tsa young people you see that's why I'm happy to see a young woman wa tshwana le young man wa tshwana le le batsere sebu le batsere these are things tse leng gore tshwantse re di etse these are things tse leng gore tshwantse re di etse to assist these young people because young people are lost my brother young people ba ka jeno ka mmotsa ka ntho e leng gore wa itse wa bona some ba leng gore ba fortunate he ba kopana le rene re ba botsa ka ntho e leng gore ra itse o re monna bona ntho ya o nyoko e tsana ngwana yone mo strateng nna ra itse and some o level o kre o mongwe bile go ba motshuripile mara o ya strateng o ireng motho o tsore ne ke go betha kota abuti lo tse o ka dira mara o bereka straight unfortunately hence ne ke challenger go mathomo ngutlo ka utlo pele ne ke challenger everybody the doctor di nurse or etswanga mara di sababa le holetse makeisheneng etswang code all of you engineers etswang le tla ka dipura tsa lena le tla ka dikoloi tsa lena tse kholo le tle go locationeng once le tsene go sekolong se se one le fitlhe mo le motivate batho le ba botsa gore nna ke doctor mamma nna am advocate mamma nna am engineer mamma nna am qualified what nna am businessman mamma I'm here not because of strategy butsotsi or corruption no I'm here because I worked my way through and working your way through is not an easy journey my brother
it's not
for us to be where we are some young people na mputso mara o fitlhile bya mo it was not easy I don't know but challenges tse kopana le tsona ba bantsi ba ka se kopana le ba ka se dikhotlhele hence go botsa kere if situations are o je go ba ka soya means my brother ka feletsa o isa to le go di mo boela hae mara se sale ka ipotsa sone gore mabopana ke boele by then gore ke nahana kwane go ba le dipolelo tsa o feta tseo ke nako ke sa nna ka marathon house dipolelo tsene ke di utlwa dikholo tsene ke di kreya ba re batho ba celebrate gore dilo tsa ka di kotla se ba bamba ra one mohumi wa ngwana people forgetting Spuda, you know But for us to be where we are, we sacrifice many things.
Yes.
You know, nage we la hanchi. Yeah, ke we la hanchi. Kore, lutsaga di sharakane hanchi. There was a time mo ile ngore sale bantunza. Bantunza ka mara BM ngwe ya ka M4 ya ka. So by then kule ya ka ya go soro tshwanze ba etsiye e go BM ba igrile ba recovery le go social nguve ka track.
Okay.
Kulile ya ka ba igria ka mkho ba igrile ngateng. Ka thomo ho bola le banga ne ke le na go tsulu tsa ka nisa tsa maipi. Wa itse budi polle tse ke di utlwileng go le ya kana go tse tsamaile gore ke mo ke boneng hore batho na go ngwe bana le ho se rate wena wa itse ka bona ka re batho ba rata wena ka no batho ba rata se wena o leng so
se o leng sona se ngwena
batho ba khona rata go le ya wa itse ba sa rate wena he ba o mema go di partying ba meme wena ba mema go le ya ba itse go le ya ho e ka ema mole mo partying go ba loro go tlile bo mama
ke mama wa family na go wa family
batho ba neketsa mali bona gore e re go botse my brother batho ba neketsa mali bona di Durban July Jen be mad ba ne ke fly le bona re tsamaya re utlwa monate ne le bona batho mathomba go botsa batho ra di mane na ke ditse mohumo na no bophelo bo le kanele ba ipotsa gore dai ka re banka e repossessed can by then I've got my own challenges. I've got my challenges le banka. I've got my challenges le insurance ka mo e thoma ditori because dai ka mo tshwantse mo ne e wetse ba ke ra ne e wetse mo mushime dai ka re tshwantse e patele e lukisiwe insurance nya go decline ntwe claim ka mo banka dai ka re by then ke ra ka ne ka patela bo ma 25,000 and I was young. Insurance ke 5,000 go ne ke patela bo ma 30 something 30,500 30 somewhere there. So those things my brother they frustrate on le mathata ka mo business a isa tsa mapila batho ba ha o phela le bona nna bona ba botsang batho ra di mo nna ro tla fella kae
oile
so ke dilo tse leng hore that's why ke re ke dilo tse leng hore ke di situations tse kopane le tsona ke no khathela tsona hanyane because of time ma ke dilo tse leng hore ke botsa batho ke re you know batho ba ntse ba mpo he ba o bona gore le ba bona motho o tshwana le nna a bana hane hore dimane sala ba le di problem di mathata ka nna ke aga dumella hore an determine le hore ke tla ho ira halang mathata ka ke a fence wa ntla ne ke emella ke re mathata a nna ke ne le ngwana my brother ha ile defeat dream yaka hence dai ka re ka tsone will ke khonwa feta ka marana mathata a ona go botsa ka ona maholo a e wile teng wa ngutsisa mara ke fitile kwa ra mathata wa ngutsisa business yaka this one man ino ba ka tsone nga se mmolele mara ke le khoa ke mo respecta thata le khwale my brother salika okay ka nngwe le chairperson ya Sango sale rena le majita mo tshwane le bo ona le animal ba ke mokoni sale ra bitsa no ba fethu re nna mo tshwane a re great business opportunity a re tlhakaneng raira no ne di forum mo tshwane ra re re forum e one ba bitsa amalgamated ke di forum tsa majita tla mo tshwane o thoma ka ntlela go morao kwa and then o fitla ka motlase ka morena gore the whole of Tshwane ra kopana ra bula forum ile ra nna re engage mayor by then mayor was Solimsimang wa DA re me engage re mo rena re nya gore re bereke re le bana ba mo re di on tutu o bile le khwaleng le nratile my brother ka me meeting ene ke ya go yona go meeting I was engaging top management ke ba tse head on but this nka lenyatso but showing them hore le rena re party ya Tshwane anya go ibona re benefit out of this city le khwalele le dila nrata la ntse ya me brother I'm going to groom you know dai le khwalela braka le ka tseno dai mane gore ke some respect wa itse da mane 100 ya mo lantse ntse mo le sbude le za ka di tlhaka dai mane re go ratile ke ne le ane mbras fan me a re ne ke nya gore ke le fe di traka tse le bere ka tsona le mpatela ra bere ka le ena ra di patela di traka tse le sbu ra wa ra reka tse di re ne le wa itse tsa le khwalela me bra go botsa ke motho eleng gore o ngurumile you know ka botsa fela mafoko a manga hae ane bra fa me a re ke le digole tse pedi tsa go tshwana ke digole tse kholo tse ke di Porsche a re ke le Porsche tse pedi dai buru tsa le leng re le go yena re tsia le re re ile mo tafoleng a re me bra a botsa diamond le o re le sa kae digole tse expensive ka re le sotsoe le ira eng ka re digole tse le nya go di reka ntse o tsona tse kima tse le ile na go mang because le now le tshwantse le di business a re tsa le mo informal I am le rena mo informal my brother a re ma mo informal re lebelle ra lebela ditraka di a feta tse di ya mine re lebela di sename a re lebela di sename le sawara a re twa mo re fetsa mo la re le bondi sename tsela ke re a re sename tsela tsa batho ba ileng hore ba tshwana le lena ditraka tsa bona di bjang ke conditions tsa di ya teka a re mara ba ileng hore le nahana hore ba pushitse ke makgowa a re makgowa a se ba le phala it's discipline a re lena problem lena go re helana na business le nyako rana business le bontsha batho a rana business o make sure business how we tlhokometse by doing what by making sure ho na le ditraka at a certain age wa di busetsa o sanya go rena re nyako bola go re nyako ja chelete yotlhe re ke di aparo re jive ke dai buru ha ra a re ba fetu wa bona le ditraka tse bjang if mo phulong ba lena la ka bela la pallo and it's very me bra re go botse mo teaming ya rena I think most they fell down and you know how that's why ke re le ba la monna le tshehiwe sbu hentse ke bolelwana bana ho tla nthungo mo tlhalong yaka respect one of the things in nempile mo gore ke tlhompha batho bra and gore ke tlhomphe batho is because sale kanyatsiwa and ke bone ka nna gore motho khono phunywa mathata ne mathata ke feeling ka mara ona o tsediwang ke tsile ka mara ona a ke re nka skopana lona
but ke
khonotso ka mara ona you see and I knows bu he ke hola ne ke dira diphoso tsona tsa go jive ke kae no ka seng khapeletse wena gore are Cape Town ro groove ka seng khapeletse gore are Durban July aka ya Durban July yona beno but it's not because I can sanya go we mara lo tsaka ne senzane ke dipaka ka tsela yaka and no asore ne ke sne chelete ya o ya mara chelete ela a se o ya kwa ke o phetha amamabaka ke ka go botsa ke re hentse ke hola di challenges tsaka di angruma le batho ke le mo pela bona ba ngruma that's why ke le ka tshino braka o mpona ke ntse le wena bana wena kana wena at least o khona mpona o khona bona dilo tsaka o khona bona bophelo ba ka gore bothomile kae o khona bona hore some of people aba they don't believe what if stories are ngatla le sona pila ke spaka pila they don't believe that's why maybe one day I must write a book about my life
so no I think you're heading there you know ngwala book I think into e leng gore vele tshwanetse no etsala because stories sa ho ya go from go morao ho ya go pele se ka thusa batho ba bantši you know se ka thusa batho ba bantši and then I'm here anything that you're doing we are go dikolong wetsang before ya go dikolong thoma di graduations pele so tse ke kry invite but go dikolong everywhere bona na I'm here na I'm for the community and anything e long hore e tsala mo community we are here and then we support you you know because motho ha etsa ntwe pila to khulelong rona re ka yetsa even if maybe we don't have something so tshwareha but us being there you know giving our story also sharing our story also le yona e khona hore e bele because re tlhamo di backgrounds tse different o bile mo tshokolong ka tsela ya hao ke bile mo tshokolong ka tsela yaka you know wa bona mo di XX I was working from Modi XX to Mabopane High School Monday to Friday. So I want re fitile mo situation leng tse baya you know today we are here and we can share these stories with other people already. You think you have a problem, you think there is a problem. Let me tell you about what I went through. I understand so it builds us and it's a hore re build le batho ba bang hape ba ilong hore ba re lebeletse from a distance ba bona o ka re no batho ba be le hu ba le so.
Why this boo? Now I get betletse motho ke mo especially monna.
Yes.
Go betletse e bile he o nyaka advice monna ke tlo botsa gore monna re go botse nnete. Ha o ne ntho yo tlang go wena for mahala ha wa yaka and nka so tshepiso re nna nka o fa le huma ane motho ka o fa le huma mo lefatsheng you see I made myself but ka o utlwela batho
yes
I'm self made a one motho ka tlang at late man no demanding but there are people ba ileng hore ke na le problem ke ya go bona ba khona nthusa you see deputy mayor wa Tshwane wa nthusa sa brafa me ase nna ke go le example batho ba nyana ba bantsi ba ileng hore ke ya go bona mara I don't believe mo tshokolo batho ba rena re betha ke ntho one isbo ke pride so wa bona re go botse me bra ke botsa batho ke re ho robala o itse o ne le 5 rand a o tshwane le robala o sene
5 rand yes
lebella batho botlhe ba re llang ka bona re ba tlhaba le kontle sbo motho khono bula stalakisi ka tshino na ho ne le go hongo ke itse malapa mantsi ka di stalakisi ba na le dintlo tse pila he re hola di face breeds ba di hileng tsa dintlo ne ba rekisa di banana di apple di batho ba rena dilo tsa banya go di etsa ho rekisa ditamati motho a bona ka re ke clever bana ba bore none ba no ka mo fa mmereko ona ba no me bra o botse re yo nna nga se bereke PWP wa ngusisa mara the main ho ne le ntato monne ke mo utlweletsa bolela are o sa lebella mmereko lebella chelete o ikranga mmereko wa ngusisa Buddha, I don't believe more. That's why I was about to never give up. Never ever believe. And then never allow your problems. That's one of the things. That's why I get about it's not about chelet. But you see, when we go out, really what's about two story. Imagine a young girl like this one. Go pela bana ba bamba ile ngora aba understand the hore. Ho ne le mmereko a shu. But ba ipotso re ba bona batho ba go Metro FM o ba bereka go kai YFM ba thomile kae ba thomile bana kae this young woman and a grumile ke lena le wa budika wa ntlela ke rabela ke lo tse ile ngore batho tshwantse re ba botse tsone because we don't talk about those things bana ba borena ba lebella TV thata bana ba borena ba lebella ba bona di clever every day tse ile ngore di betha di kole di a di spina ba bona batho ba le every day ke bona batho ba bona a ba bone wena motho ka ba botsa you know a se ba botho ile ho utlwang my brother mara ke few e ka utlwang that few re tla be something mara le batho ba holo ne batho ba holo ba ile ngora give up ile go phelo and you see I want to challenge many people don't rely on government bona lebella ma foreigner a mantse le mo South Africa ba ile ngora rekisa ditamati ba rekisa di Zimba ba rekisa they don't rely on government
wena wa mohai o be o ye ko yena o kolotisa ko
yena o ye ko yena o kolotisa ntonga ba ile ngora batho ba tshwantse ba ire let's support each other as you say you see most of our people ko re ba ngcono ba supporte anemane wa le Bangladesh ka ntlhela mara ba palle go supporta motho nna lena ka monisto you know why because motho nana o re ha o bona wa pere ditlhako tse di mtsha o rekile o nana o ke chelete ya hae those things tshwantse re di tloele re tshwantse re na re supportane but what I can tell you my brother batho ba rena aba emelle ba itsutsorope re ro bereka re bona ka mpiri stala ke se ditletse mo di abatsa batho ba re hona bana nka o botsa my brother government e ile batho ba register di business you know the small business register le mole we were disappointed my brother it's really mo masipala mole our people they don't register businesses for themselves they register businesses for batho ba go ntle ongudu sorgere my brother so some of the things ke tswantse ke bolanga tsona ke re batho bana lo ipotsa hore ho ba sharp mo philong gore o tshwantse o be le di base o be le di truck o be le di chopper no o thoma go tlase ene ke nahana gore ne le tse di motho a stala ke sipela ho ntse o wa grow o ka feletsa o butsi mmaraka mo hole o ka feletsa o hirile something se seholo ke bolela ka ntho ka irang ke bolela ka ditamati lo mama ke ntho ka irang le ka boshimo mara batho ba rena ba le pride motho a khono my brother now ba nna khono nna go utlweletse motho ke gore batho ba ke rekana le bona go utlweletse motho e leng gore o kre a swangela mmereko gore motho o le mo file mmereko a sa mmereko gore le mo kretse opportunity nyane hai ho butsisa ba re ne motho he o bolela ditori tse ding kae go botsa ka batho ba o kre o file motho mmereko ba nna khalera ba fa mmereko batho ba mo hai motho wa izuru go bereka ngo temba o nya ka Monday to Friday mara asna holo ka se mmone Monday and Tuesday and wena na go tse business out tshwantse run you have to go right tshwantse we have to choose between yena le business how le future ya bana ba hao le ya hao le ya bana ba ha
yes
tshwantse decide in between hore bana mo ke a lose mmereko gore bana tshwantse o kere o montshitse go mmereko because why batho mo high braka gore nna ke ne le o blame this thing gore batho mo high there are many opportunities my brother
ba tsameka ka tsona
wa ngusisa so hence ke re mo wena ke re go ne le tse ntse ile gore ka di discuss braka that's why mpona ke tsaya mo ke tlhakantsha mara if nko mo prepare ile pila go paketse from mo ka o pakela mara ke na no batho ba tla understand maybe some other time hap go ne le tse ntse ile gore ka di discuss just feel really open mara we need to go out there my brother chaba sa rena bafana ba rena ba debate let's go out there le bona bafana ba tshwana le bona ba le berekang le bona and tell them Mureban anything is possible twela ho nna o nahana hore wena di role model tsa o keba no di role model tsa o ke rena lebella rena re a o botsa re khonno phunywa sathane rena sa mo fase mo phunyile sathane that's why bona ke I'm proud I'm a graduate and aka kwaliwa by the way and Northwest University wa ne metla yo ba rotla o nna ka molo kata ke camera o lebella go kwa le
o kopisi
wa tshwaro ka molo o ngutsisi ke kwaletse ke nya gore le bana ba ka ba botsa re bana ke kwetse and I'm not saying hore no se ne batho ba ileng hore ne ba support no ne ke a go bathong e ntho mpalla batho tshwana le ene ke itse selo ne ke my brother a advice ntho re ira byang mara ai hore wena o tlo ntirela yona mara wa mpontsha hore ne mo re ira byang ene ke khonno ke ina botlhale bo ke bo kreile ko bo share le ba bang go morao ai hore nna ke ka nna because of ke star eng go ne batho ba ile ngore le nna ke consult ko bona re nthuse mo a re bontshane mo diteng re ira byang wa bona but hence ke re mo wena ke re invitation le tla e kreya ka graduation day o tlo bona batho ba ka ba ileng hore maybe ke tla hirela mfana wa tla ka camera le nena a irang camera ya ka hore batho ba ka ba ileng hore ba nthusitse I will never forget them even I salute hore me bras ke le leboha le nthusitse even my family you know abena hana o tsena school or run a business o ne le community tshwantse o tlhokomele 24/7 it's not easy
if elo hore ka this episode awa nyanya silo awa just silo ke sure re sa tlo arrange VV and then re tlo boa VV because di daba tse ke tse baya but if lore a we thuti sebe mo this episode ngwana ko hai ona le problem e serious fine you know hore my podcast itswile you can comment there any question anything that you want to know anything that you want to ask share go di commenting nna ke re ke na lena ke tlo khona re ke mo romelle tsona ke re no batho ba re so thank you so much for watching. No, let me thank you first before ke lebo ha bona. Thank you so much for coming.
Ke nyoko ba lebo, ke nyoko ba botsa nthongo mo lefatsheng.
Yes. A re ba tlhabela yona.
Wa bona my brother ntabo felo ke nyoko botsa yona ke hore ke nyoko khopela batho ba re no re never judge.
Oh yes.
Never judge. You see now it take time to take a decision ka motho.
Yeah.
The situation re ne le balwetse ba bantshi. Re ne le mathata a mantshi. A ile ngora ka mara motho. You see batho go tshwana le wena Zbuda. Ho ka mpotsa wa rene ka mo le ba re hona le bomme ba o rekisa wena wa mpotsa re batho ba ba sola ke ra roba interview one by one hence I'm saying to you ke re hona le situations tse leng gore batho ba ntshi ba ka maratsona hona le batho ba go botsa mbena ba go torongo mara those people pila bona se ditsotsi
yes
wa ntlhalanya go re nna le na mo fatshe mo interview it's because you know mathata are mara mathata are na tshwana re isa lose snacks unfortunately this thing barke poverty is very dangerous so I'm saying let's not judge other people everybody only history high and there's nobody is perfect by the way bo botle rena le mathata rena hone le mo a ka bolela ha o mathata a lebetse hore o ka utulla manga go hae wa mmotso re kweno mama ha o le papa ha o ba ira so le so wena o lebeletse nna wa ntlhalwanya hence some of us are tshabe ho itse hore our future our history won't determine our future hence re itse hore re ne le ka mkhuruleng ka teng go strateng re hola re le studio bana ka bana ba bana ba mara ka tshim that's why we are role models to those kids to say bana ntho bana e ka sira because re ka senne mo le raputha diatla ra re no eng so ke mafoko ke nyeko ba fa ngona hore never judge other people and even those who are being judged never give up never listen ko bathong ba botsa hore no this thing you can't do it na me counselor today most people didn't believe and some people are praising me to say I'm performing most people don't believe like it was tough some people were saying like a demand but today at least that stigma and I'm still moving towards who provela community aga to say my community I'm your child I'm your son
and I'm here
whatever se le sitseng ka nna se leng hore maybe nna a di sitse or se leng hore le shutle ba se bolela ke khopela hore sa se ya se le sitseng ka nna hone se le se bonang ka nna hone bano so that thing hele mpona ka mkhoko khono thusa bana ba lena sa nna lena ba le ba botsang hore you see most people have ba le this thing hore o tlhakola pele la tshokolo ba nne ba ra o le mine a sokola tloela re maka na sokola na ke sokolo hone bjano and hore ke tsokolo ke ntshitse maka go tsokolo mali today ke rata nthongwe ya hore batswadi ba ka nna ba nrutile o se ikhumo so bona batswadi ba ka ke yona ntho ba nthutile yona my brother and ke ba leboha le bona on your podcast hore wa bona ho nruta go thompha batho ho itse hore motho ke eng and le nne ke tsamaya ke ba leboha thata and le mathata ka ke a leboha ba a khonno ndira se ke leng sona my brother and thank you very much again mo wena le your team helping people opportunity ya hore ke khono kopana le lena we'll share many things hence I'm saying hore it is snapshots ne go fa tsona but I'm saying hore are thompaning are rataneng are supportaning thank you very much my brother
no I hole bo hanna na go nyane nyane long hore go tsatsetse ka yona wa re bona ra e berekisa yona I know I really appreciate it you know and I'll forever be grateful of that Guys, thank you so much for watching. As I said, tlohelang di-comments tsa lona mo le mo TikTok mo la, make sure you leave your comments. Ke sure bile go TikTok o tlo di bona ka pele ebile ke sure tse di bile ena a ka responda to tsona di-comments tsa lona. So thank you so much for watching this episode. We're coming back. We're not done. This is just the beginning. Re sentse re tlo batlisa le ena o sentse a tlo boa vie. Scamto Podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. A re kopane hape next time. Oh yeah?